talk about it. Right, my dream job in future is to get a job that can make me comfortable. Actually, I really want to be a programmer or a coder because I am interested in following in the footsteps of successful people like those who created big companies or tech companies, especially tech companies. In the future, technology will surround us almost in every direction. So I really want to be a programmer, a professional programmer that can create something new that can make people's life easier. Nowadays, our life has become much easier by using our smartphone, and smartphones are useless without applications. Without the applications on your smartphone, I think of little advantage because you can only use it for calling, SMS, just like old-fashioned phones. But smartphones, what makes them smart because they have apps. They have apps that can make our life easier, simple. Like we use chatting applications, social networks applications. We use YouTube. We use ride-hailing software like Grab or Gojek, and we use other kinds of software that everyone finds useful or interesting to them. They can. Everyone wants to download. Yeah. So I really want to be a programmer in the future. That is my coveted job, my dream job. Firstly, I need to learn how to be a programmer, how to create an application. I need to learn from someone else that already mastered the programming language, because it's hard to master programming language nowadays. We need to find, we need to know, we need to have a high knowledge of computer or software, and I really want to be part of someone who can improve Aceh through applications or software. I really want to make Aceh famous by using applications that is user-friendly, very user-friendly, so that everyone can find it easy to access, easy to use the application, and make it as simple as possible, as straightforward as possible, so that everyone find it, so everyone will come back again every time, whenever they. That's the main function of a programmer. Programmer creates application so that the users come back again. Like you, after you exit your WhatsApp, and then a few minutes later, then you open again, and then because the application is very user friendly, and also Instagram. What makes people come back again and again? Because it is very user friendly. People find it very interesting, very useful in some ways that they might find interesting. I think that's all my dream job. Thank you very much.